TV5 viewers. Today we are playing India versus Pakistan, a friendly match over here. It's been 9 months staying at home due to lockdown. A great friendly environment today. Thank you for the sponsors, Crick Hub and SSCL, for conducting this friendly game between India versus Pakistan. This is one of its kind in Houston within tapered ball. We never played this before. Thank you so much to the sponsors for bringing this this week. We are following all the safe guidelines, making sure we are maintaining that social distancing, but also at the same time we are enjoying the game. What a lovely environment, weather today out there. And once again, thank you so much for TV5 for the support. And also back home, we wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. Happy Christmas.
And what a great turnout today. All our friends from different leagues, Indian community, West Indian community, and everybody out there came here to support us, enjoy the game. Hey Keith, thank you so much for showing up today. How are you enjoying the game today?
Oh, fantastic. It's a great atmosphere, great fans. We're exciting. Everything just went well. We're following the guideline of CDC, the COVID, and everything is just fantastic. I enjoyed the atmosphere and the fans, and everything is just great and wonderful.
And
good game.
thank you so much. I know you wanted to be live. I mean, so watching the game live for the first time.
Yes. Oh
Because
yeah.
due to
It was
lockdown?
exciting. I got my everything just great, and all the fans and everything. So we want to thank all the people and all the sponsors who supported this effort. It's great. 2 teams, India against Pakistan. Man, it's wonderful.
Thank you
Just
so much.
exciting.
హలో వ్యూవర్స్ మనము ఇండియా పాకిస్తాన్ కమ్యూనిటీ ఇక్కడ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ కప్ జరుగుతుంది కదా సో వీ హ్యావ్ అ స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ హియర్ హూ ఓన్స్ వాలీస్ గ్రౌండ్ విచ్ ఈస్ one of its kind which has floodlights. We have Navid with us. He's a great supporter of India and Pakistani community and a great supporter of cricket sport here. Hey Navid, how are you?
Good, great. Thank you very much for having me here.
So Navid, as you know, the cricket is in our DNA, whether it is Indian community or Pakistani community here. So where the passion came that you wanted to have a ground, or you need to have a ground with the floodlights? You can't ask for more, right? So where the passion came from?
Well, there's a lot of cricket. And United States provides you the platform to kind of like everybody could mingle together, and how they say it, like melting pot. And I thought this would be a great initiative if we have a facility of our own where people from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and everybody could come together and enjoy this great game of cricket. And since there was no evening game facility with lights, so we installed like floodlights on both of our grounds. So we have 2 grounds with floodlight. We've got a clubhouse. Now we've got a cricket store with like bats, balls coming from Pakistan directly from India and elsewhere. We've got a basketball court and a sitting area, so it's pretty nice family facility. And this is the only facility where people like yourself and your families, they come there. We do events like cricket events, other social events there, but cricket is our center. So I think the vision that I had, it is geared towards that so far.
Yeah, good to know. And that's pretty encouraging for this game of sport, and for next generation as well. So what do you see, and how do you see the cricket going in this country?
Well, cricket is I have seen even the local people come in and asking about cricket. Once we turn the lights on in our ground, for example, the local community mayor and the primary school teachers, and they would stop by and ask us what is going on here. So we started from the background. When I was in this city council meeting, and one of the principal, they thought when I was advertising it, and there was an interview that was published in the local newspaper, and they thought that I'm going to raise cricket, like it's going to be a cricket farm. That's where they came from. But you see, this is what they knew, and now they are supporting us. Local cricketers you must have seen here in this ground, other grounds. We used to play here with the Vinod and all of these friends, and other grounds, Katie Hockley, and then so I think we can do a lot of good if we come from here and take our passion, and instead of getting involved in the politics as such, from India-Pakistan politics, we can like spill the passion from this end towards our country. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, this is where it was, and cricket has been in our DNA, in our blood, as you said. I've been a sports person. I was captain of my NAD University badminton team for so many years, and so this is where it all came from.
Yeah, it's very good to know that, and appreciate all your efforts for this game of sport. Okay, thanks for your
Thank you very
time.
much.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So idandi Navid, he puts a lot of effort, and he has a passion about this game.